Working day. In the bustling mosaic of New York City, where cultures intersect and the air vibrates with the energy of endless possibilities, there lies a culinary oasis where the essence of Thailand is lovingly crafted by Chef Alex and his devoted team. This tale unfolds over a day in their lives, rich with the flavors of friendship, dedication, and the art of Thai cooking. As the first light of dawn crept through the skyscrapers, Alex stepped into his restaurant's kitchen, a place where his dreams and passions took shape amidst pots and pans. The morning was a quiet time, a brief pause before the day's whirlwind of activity began. It was during these moments that Alex felt a deep connection to his craft, a sacred bond between chef and cuisine. The day's prep started with laughter and light banter among the team, a family knit not by blood but by a shared love for food and a commitment to excellence. Lily, Alex's right hand and sous chef, approached him with a playful challenge. "I bet today's special will get us a round of applause," she said, her eyes gleaming with confidence. Alex smiled, his heart warmed by the camaraderie. "Let's make it happen," he replied, their friendly rivalry pushing them to new heights of creativity. As the lunch hour approached, the kitchen transformed into a symphony of activity. Each team member moved with purpose, their actions a dance choreographed by years of experience and the gentle guidance of Alex. Amidst the flurry, a moment of tension arose when a complex dish threatened to fall behind schedule. Alex, noticing the strain, stepped beside Tom, a junior chef struggling to keep pace. With a few calm words of encouragement and a guiding hand, Alex turned the moment of stress into a learning opportunity, his leadership turning the tide. The interaction was brief but profound, reinforcing the bonds of trust and respect that held the team together. It was these connections, forged in the heat of the kitchen, that made their work not just a job, but a calling. As the evening settled in, bringing with it the rush of dinner service, the kitchen buzzed with an electric intensity. Yet, in the midst of this chaos, there was harmony, a testament to the team's skill and Alex's unwavering focus. Each dish that left the kitchen was a piece of art, a culinary journey that spoke of Thailand's rich flavors and the team's dedication. One particular moment stood out when a diner, moved by the authenticity and depth of the meal, requested to thank the chef personally. Alex, stepping out from his culinary domain, was greeted with words that resonated deep within him. "This meal took me back to my travels in Thailand. It's like you've captured its soul on a plate," the diner said, their sincerity touching Alex deeply. It was moments like these that reminded him of the profound impact food could have, bridging cultures and touching hearts. As the night wound down and the last guests departed, the team gathered to reflect on the day's successes and the lessons learned. Their laughter and shared stories filled the kitchen, a space that had seen them through challenges and triumphs alike. It was in this moment of quiet camaraderie that Alex felt a profound gratitude for his team, his craft, and the unending adventure of bringing Thai cuisine to the heart of New York City. Walking home under the canopy of stars, Alex carried with him the satisfaction of a day well lived, the joy of meaningful connections, and the anticipation of tomorrow's opportunities. In the ever-changing tapestry of the city, he and his team were a constant, a beacon of warmth and authenticity in the vast urban landscape.